Good morning, everybody. This is Cleaning with Dave. I'll be using Bissell Crossway Pet Pro to clean my mother's home. I'm going to do sections at a time. I got to move some of the furniture, and when I start cleaning, I'll get back to you. Okay, be right back. Right now, I'm going to be filling the container up to the proper mark, but I'm going to be using this formula. Whoops. I'm going to be using this formula right here. It's a multi-surface formula made for the Bissell Crossway and Spin Wave floor cleaner. Pretty good stuff. And it's also good for pets too, which my mother has a cat. Right now I'm trying to get the water very hot. Okay. And be back to you very shortly. Okay, once again I'm back. I don't have a cameraman. My camera person has gone to get her hair done with my mother. And I try to show you as much as I can, okay? So, first of all, I'm going to put the machine on hard floor, even though this is laminate, but it uses a very little bit of solution on the floors and scrubs it at the same time. Pretty good machine. All right, it's going to get a little loud in here, so here we go. All right, came out pretty good. Right now, what I was doing, I was sucking up the excess water without putting any solution down. Because once you press the trigger, it puts the solution down. And it has the brush has a soft pad and bristles on it, which is really nice for if there's really bad dirt on the floor or something sticky, it'll get it up. But her floors don't look that bad, but she says there's stuff here, so I see a couple of spots, but that's about it. All right, I have the rest of the area to do, and I'll be back with the rest of the video. Okay, welcome back. Yes, I'm going to start this. I already started this area already, and I'm going to continue to clean it. All right, because I'm doing this section, then I'm going to do this section. I'm going to let this dry, and then put everything back. Makes my job much more easy. So, without no further ado, let me continue with the cleaning. Okay. Okay, right now I'm drying the floor. But I'm not pressing the trigger for the solution to come out. Okay, that's good for now. Now I'm going to let that dry, and I'll be back with the rest of the video. All right, I'm taking a break now. But this is what I did actually. If you can see the floor, no, you probably can't see the floor with the video looking up. So I'm gonna have to take it off and bring it down to show you. Okay, right now the floor is drying. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, but it needs to dry. Need to put this back. Okay.
Mommy's dead. It has cancer in Japan.
Let it dry up a little bit there. All right, I'm gonna go back to relaxing. I'll get back to the video.
Married, it was to start a family. Here it is 3 years into it. This bar has stopped them from going to...
Okay, welcome back everybody. Once again, this is the floor, what it looks like now. All right, I got a little bit more to do. Just a little bit more. I got to get that table in the corner and the couch. And I don't want to step on the floor. But going toward the hallway and the bathroom over there. And then the last thing I'm going to do is the kitchen floor. Kitchen floor, like I said, it's not that bad. Okay. All right, I'll be back to you when I start cleaning again. Welcome to Dave Cleaning 101. Okay, the video is coming to an end. The floors are clean, and it came out pretty good. Let's see what she thinks when she comes in, my mother. Okay, bye for now. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye.